I love you guys though. Imagine if y'all were in my chat and I am one of them dorks. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, what's up with these fucking people nowadays, bro? You know, but I guess God got to bless them in their way, you know? Like, yeah, I'm not hating on them. I just don't get it. I don't get how that's content. Like, I'd rather do this or bike riding. You know what I mean? Content. You know what I mean? But your ass will be hurt. You know what I mean? And Michigan's a lot bigger than I thought, bro. It's like, damn. You know what I mean? And I ain't gonna cap, bro. We trying to get out low key. We trying to get out this state, bro. Hey, man. Let me cross the street. So this is just a continuation of last stream because, yeah, we were gonna go towards the water scenery part, but apparently no connection at all. Kicked us off the stream and everything. It was reconnecting for like a minute, for like 5 minutes, some shit, and then it just said error or something went wrong, and I'm like, no shit. So this was supposed to be like a 45-minute stream, you know, just about 45 minutes. We did about 23 minutes, so we just hit the 30-minute marker. So we got another like 15 minutes. So, you know what I mean? Once it hits about 23, 24, if we're not already out the, you know what I mean? Unless we're, you know what I'm saying, we're still chilling. I mean, it is about 8 minutes right now. This nigga said hi, son. Did he just say hi, son, or he needs a Capri Sun? Which one? Hey, chat.